Hello YouTube, just Paul again. Going to give you some updates, just working on this GE and the CB40 installation. We're in a reassembly stage now, so well and truly broken the back of the installation. Mounted the CPU and the chipset here, started tidying it up. I haven't put the top board back in yet. I've still got a bit of wiring to do. Got to wire up the meter, got to wire up the wire back up the meter light back to the main loom. I've connected power to the unit and now just need to just tidy up the earths and what else, the scan controls, these three wires. Just want to show you the neatness of this job. So I've used 0.5mm by 10mm watchmaker's screws, and that's straight into the CB40's plastic mounting block, which was made on a 3D printer. There we go, there's a better image of that. So I've used a 1mm drill bit with watchmaker's screws and washers. Now the process for doing that is I use you can see my soldering iron. Okay, so that's a 1mm tip, and you can see it's almost the size of the screw. So what I do is use the tip to put the guide hole into the plastic mount, and then once finished use the soldering iron on the top of the screw to melt the screw into the mounting hardware, push it firm, then release, and no more needs to be done, and that's secured that into place. Alright, what else? I'll just flip it over. As you can see, that's what it looks like all mounted. So we made that backing plate, that's stuck in place with the Gorilla Glue. Had to angle some of the header fittings so that I could fit this in. So the LED display is connected, the selector's connected, it's nearly there. Okay, so that's the radio, and then once I've finished, we'll tidy it all up, cable tie it, and make it look all pretty. Alright, just a quick video. Thank you very much.